Hey, it's your brother Yassine here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or evening. So in today's video, I'm gonna keep it very short, very sweet as always, and I'm going to show you the must-have and the basic elements that you need to move forward and to succeed in drop servicing if you want to make money. So first and foremost, if you remember from yesterday, you would need a one single website, one single page website, right? That's where we're going to be driving our traffic to. The moment they sign up or they opt in, that's those emails, they need to go somewhere, right? So they have to go to another software, which is going to be get response, right? That's when you're gonna keep them. Then I'm gonna show you how you can email them, etc., etc. But that's gonna be for another video. And ClickFunnels is the website where we're gonna drive all the traffic. And also what I'm gonna show you, when the moment you have the traffic, the moment you have these people opting in, we're gonna drive them to the affiliate page where they're gonna be required to buy. And the beautiful thing, and why am I telling you just to get this ClickFunnels thing, is because whenever you're gonna have some paid traffic, you're gonna bring them to that landing page, right? Even if they don't buy, they have to opt in. But let's say even if they don't opt, even if they don't opt in, even if they don't buy your product, at least you have their emails, and that's how you keep building your email list. Probably those people, they don't have money now. They want, probably they're distracted, whatever is going on with their lives. But you can keep emailing them. You can keep building your trust with them. And that even I'm going to show you how you can build those emails. And again, I'm going to make it super easy on you. Just please follow the process. Do what I'm telling you to do. Again, if you have other alternative softwares that you're using, go ahead. But for the sake of this training, it's better that you go with ClickFunnels and we'd get response. By the way, I'm an affiliate to those products, and I've been using them before I become an affiliate to them. So if you wanna help me out, I would highly appreciate if you could sign up to ClickFunnels and get response using my link down below in the description. And by the way, if you sign up with ClickFunnels using my link, you can contact me, and I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna give you my secret high converting landing page that brought me over 90% of traffic. Literally, it brought me 94% of traffic, like 90% conversion rate, comparing to many other landing pages that are making like 30 or 20%. Anyway, so first, when you come into ClickFunnels, when you click on the link down below in the description, if you don't have an account with them, you just go to log in, you keep doing whatever you have to do. Okay, let me see. Just want to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay, then the moment you get here, right, you click on here, sign up. You can see it down the bottom. You click on sign up, you create your account, right? You have to keep going. And by the way, guys, it's going to ask you whether you want the package, the $97 package, or you want the $297. Please go with the cheapest one, that's the $97 one, because actually I don't see why you would go for a higher price. You don't need it for now. Just go for the cheapest one. And guys, you're going to have 14 days for free. Okay. This being said, this is the software that you need so that we can build, without having any technical skills, the one single landing page where we're gonna be driving our traffic to, right? That's where they're gonna be landing on, right? Okay, so second one, if you remember, the moment people opt in, our traffic, some of them, they're gonna opt in, right? They're gonna convert. But if we just have ClickFunnels, we can't keep their emails. We won't know who opted in from those who didn't. So we need a place where we're going to be storing those emails, where we probably even going to be sending them an autoresponder. Like the moment they sign up, we can keep sending them automation, emails to convert them. And I'm going to show you all of this, but now just stick to the process. You get response, okay? You have 30 days for free. You can sign up. Of course, I have my link down below the description. Sign up with it if you don't have an account yet, and click here on sign up for free. sign up free, all right? The moment you have that, you put your name, your email, your password, you create your account, okay? So that's all I'm gonna show you today. If you can do this, congratulations. And if you don't, then we can't move along with the process. And all I'm gonna be doing is gonna be based on those ones. So guys, if you have alternatives to these products, yeah, go ahead with them. But just as I said, for the sake of this training, of this free training, I'm just going to be using ClickFunnels. I'm going to be using GetResponse. And that's the ones that I've been using for over a year now. They're working fantastically for me. And yeah, so if you have any questions, just please, or you have any glitch or something that you didn't see, whatever is going on, regarding the sign up process, you can just ask me down below in the description. I would be more than happy to assist you with it. And until then, see you tomorrow. Guys, I'm super excited for you. Just keep that fire in and let's crush it. You will make it. Bye-bye.